Okay, welcome to my channel. This video is going to be about, well, my ratchets and a little bit of a mail call. So, let's get into it. Alright, we're over here at the toolbox. As you know, well, you may not know, all the extensions and my ratchets, which they're not on the board right this minute, but was in that little bitty drawer over there. And then all these sockets here was in a drawer over there. So I took my screwdrivers out of here, moved them down to this drawer. This was my plier drawer. I moved the pliers. I don't know if I've told y'all this or not yet, but I moved the pliers over there to that box, standing up in the little wire racks. Not really sure if I like that, but I didn't like them laying down in the drawer here getting rusty, so I changed that around. And I didn't like this stuff and the ratchets and extensions being in all these different, there was 3 different drawers and my sockets. Now they're only in 2. These and the ratchets and then my socket drawer. This is my socket drawer. I think I've showed everybody that. Just real quick. Anyway, I still got to figure out something to do with that box of sockets there. It's kind of in the way. I got to figure out where to put them. Still got to figure out where to put all the Olsa wrenches. Haven't done that yet. I don't know where to put them or what to do with them. Anyway, as you can see, I have like a 1/2 inch maybe, or maybe a little thicker, piece of wood or board that I had holes drilled in that had my ratchets on. But some was going this way, some, you know, with the head here, some was down here with the head going that way. I didn't really like that, and I had some ratchets here and 2 in here, and I had a couple here. I didn't really like that. So what I did is I made a bigger board. So let's go back over there to the table and I'll show you. Okay, before we get into that, that's the old board that was just in my toolbox. I wanted to do a little shout out to Mater's Workshop for sending me these 2 stickers. That's awesome. Thank you. Been waiting on them for a while. They finally showed up. Just want to let you know that they did show up, and they will be going up on my sticker board soon. So thank you very much, Mater. I appreciate that. Anyway, as you can see, this was my old ratchet board. You can see where the dust was, where the ratchets was sitting. But like I said, it wasn't big enough, so let me get the other one up here and show you what I did. I had to make another board to fit all my ratchets on. As you can see, there's quite a bit. Now, I'm not trying to say that I have a whole bunch of ratchets or whatever. I'm not trying to brag. There's a lot of people on YouTube who've got way more ratchets than that. But I actually use these ratchets, so that's why I don't have that many. Anyway, let's go over here. Here's the new board. All I did was take I was going to use plywood, but I found this board that I could use, so it's better. It's like the other one. As you can see, all you do is just drill holes in it, big enough for the 1/2 inch to fit in there, and the 3/8 and then the 1/4 inch. Now, you got to drill a hole bigger than a 1/2 inch, 3/8 and 1/4 inch, because they won't fit. Anyway, let me get the ratchets over here, set them on here and show you how I set it up. I had to lay it all out first and then mark, stand the ratchets up on the drive and then mark where I wanted the holes. Kind of got this one a little bit off. They was too close, but it is what it is. It works. Let me show you. Okay, this is how I got them set up. These are all 1/2 inch on this side. Some of the smaller 3/8 and 1/4 inch in the middle. And then 3/8 over here on this side. You see how these two are kind of close? My son gave me that ratchet. And in case you was wondering, that is not a snap-on, that is a Pittsburgh. Just want to show you all of them set up on the board. Now let's get it over there to the toolbox and show you what it looks like in there. And here you go. As you can see, they're all on the board and the board's in the box. And I had to rearrange things. You can look at the beginning of this video and you can see I had to move stuff around. I had to take these extensions here out of the Sunex box. I had to just lay these two things up here, kind of not liking that, but whatever. And there's a boo-boo. Look here. That sticks up too far. Now if it was on a thinner board, it would shut, because it used to shut, but you see there, it's hitting. I'm not sure if that other board is that much thinner or not, but anyway, that one's gonna have to be moved, and uh-oh, look at that. That means one's missing. That's gonna drive me insane. I'm gonna have to buy another ratchet, another 3/8 ratchet to fill that hole in. Oh well. For now, we'll just set that one there so the drawer will shut. That's not good. So when I do find give me another ratchet to go here, got to find some place to put this one. And as you can see, there ain't much room. Anyway, we'll figure something out, right? Well, that's all I got for this video. I hope you liked it. I just wanted to show you the little socket or ratchet board that I made up, and give a little shout out to Mater for the stickers. I appreciate it. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.